Okay, welcome back to the next section of the tablet design unit. Today we're going to create your own tablet design using the sketches. So this is the stage where you'll get to create a digital mock-up of your design that you chose from last week's lesson. You're going to use the website application sketchpad.app. Now, if you can't access that or it's not working for you at home, you can use another such app like Microsoft Paint, or at the very least you can use a Microsoft Word and create it with shape. You're going to write out the info for your specs where needed on the sketch mockup, and you're going to leave the interface blank, as we'll get to this next week. I'd like you to follow that design brief. So the design brief, as you remember, is being asked to create a revolutionary tablet device. Okay, it should have many features and be usable by all ages. It should be easily portable and have good battery life. So I would like to take you through and have a look at this Sketchpad app on the internet, just to see how it works and if you get a feel of it, and you might want to try it out, and hopefully you can submit your design that way for me next week. So you just want to open up your web browser, sketchpad.app, not the full website, so sketchpad.app. It's going to load up this portal here, it's going to load up this application. Now you can choose different sections here, so you've got pencil, star, clip art, text, and vector fill, and select tool. If you choose the star, it actually allows you to choose other shapes. Okay, so there's lots of different shapes for you to use. So if you're using a tablet, maybe a rectangle shape, you might want to change the fill. So you can change that by just saying if it's a color, linear or radial, or a pattern fill. So these are really fun, like different colors and things like that. So you might have a play around with them, get some different shapes and colors. I'm just going to make mine white and have a dark outline so I can make it see-through actually. So you can have a look at doing all that. Okay, so if I select that, I can actually remove the fill completely and just have a square. And I can drag it to move it wherever I want it. I can put other squares, I can put other things in it. So I can get another rectangle here and drag it out. Okay, so select off it, and there's my other rectangle. I can drag it out. So I can make it here, I can drag that over. For example, this could be the speaker, or whatever, you know, it could be the keyboard, it could be whatever you want it to be once you start fleshing this out. You can choose other shapes, so you can add in some circles. Again, this has no fill in it, so you can do some circles and you can move it about. You can move it in, you can twist it. So you can do a lot of things with it. And then if you want to select it again, you can choose the arrow up here, so you can select and you can move about with it. I made a mistake there, so let's see if we can select that and remove it by pressing the backspace. Yes, there we go. So you can choose all the different things. There's lots of different options for each. There's different fills and lines, thicknesses, all that kind of thing. So you can make big things like that. You can move the cutout so you can add a circle within a circle. You can reduce the line width of each of them. You can add in colours. You can add in gradients and patterns. There really is lots of different things you can do with it. So that you're going to make your tablet design the best that you can with this. Again, if you don't have access to this app, or you think you really can't pick it up, I'd like you to have a look at using Paint or some other application that you have for drawing. And when you're finished, I'd like to save it, so you can just go to the export button on the far left hand side, export, and it asks you to export it as a JPEG, PNG, PDF, SVG, or download to .sketchpad. Don't use that one because we don't have it. You can either use .pdf or .png or .jpeg. Okay, so I would select that. If you do download region, that allows you to select the area that you want to save, and it will only save that area, and then it'll ask if you want to download it. Okay, so that is a great idea to use. So create your tablet for that for next week, submit it to me via the assignment, return as normal, and then we will be looking at interfaces next week. Okay, thank you.